Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go and take a look at the Edifier P12 passive bookshelf speakers, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of it. We're going to set it up, do some sound test, and see what this thing's all about. Let's go over the box real quick. Probably a lot of information that you can't even see, so I'll just read you some of the specs. Frequency response of these speakers is somewhere between 55 to 20 kilohertz, from 5 watts to 20 watts for each channel. That's how much power they can handle. They are rated as 6 ohms, so you just got to make sure that 6 ohms can match with the amplifier that you have when you want to play these. But just go ahead and open it up, and we'll talk a little more specs as we go by. Packaging is pretty nice. It's nice and slim. Okay, so this is the little manual booklet that they sent you. Not much going on here except this tells you what's in the box. So let's go ahead and take a look. Nicely wrapped. You got the plastic, and it's got these foam material looking thing, which is quite cool. They are pretty nice. They look just like the previous Edifier 1280T. But maybe it's, nope, same thing. I thought maybe these were a little taller, but they're really not. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at these speakers. So the grill is really nice and solid, pretty simple. It's got some, texture on the inside. They are not magnetic, they're plastic, so they kind of sit on little things. Yeah, that's what that looks like. It is ported in the front, so you get this big old port. I could fit my whole 3 fingers in there. So the driver itself is it's 4-inch, just like their previous drivers. Tweeter, same thing. Well, these tweeters are 19 millimeters, so they're the same size as the Edifier 1850 dB. It's got a good amount of weight to it. Quality-wise, it feels really nice. It's got this wood finish. I kind of like this wood finish. I like this little housing thing that they put, that thing is sticking out, but the fact that they added this little thing here, it's kind of like once you put it against the wall, this will help keep it steady. Just make sure you secure them properly when you want to wall hang them so they don't drop in case of something. Another thing I like about Edifier speakers is that they include these rubber feet compared to some of the competitors like a Micca MB42. Or MB42X, they don't really give you any rubber feet with them. Well, X does come with rubber feet, but not like this. They give you some cheap plastic. What do you say we do some sound test? That's the unboxing. Not a whole lot to see. So let's do some sound tests of these, and we'll play some tracks. The only thing is, these are not those solid holes. I can't really, just for kicks. I mean, this is the MB42X, these are for banana plugs, these are not, so that's one drawback. If you're somebody who likes using banana plugs all the time, here and there, then, it's gonna be a letdown. That sucks. Alright, so just a small drawback. Now I gotta take these out. Damn it. Banana plugs are easy. I bought these off of AliExpress some time ago for like $2 or something. They come off like that. So you hook them up like so, negative to negative, positive to positive. Make sure you don't mess up. Alright, so there you go. Setup complete. I got it hooked up to my little amp, and let's do some audio test and see what these sounds like. Damn, that track sucks. It doesn't really do anything. Let's go back to what I know. Okay, playing the same track as I've done in the other videos, just so I can tell the difference. I'm gonna slightly adjust the treble and the bass for my liking. Alright, that's track one. Not that satisfactory. Let's play something else. Now the reason I keep playing this track over and over again on my other videos as well, just because the recording of this particular track is really good. The output is done really well, so when I'm playing it back on any speakers, it hits the lows and the mids and the high frequency, so that's why I keep going back to the same thing, and it's kind of helpful to know that, okay, if whether the speakers are pushing that low frequency, if it's hitting that bass note really hard or not, so that way, you know, it's a bit more distinguishable. Okay, so let's play this one. Just based on what I heard, something just feels off. These didn't sound as punchy as I was thinking it might. It didn't sound as, I don't know, just something just felt off with me on this one. Just because I just heard the MB42X not too long ago, and the MB42X and this one, cost-wise, they're on par. These on Amazon they're like $80, and the MB42X they're like $90. The MB42X sounds a lot better compared to the Edifier P12. The P12 is okay. It's not, yeah, I don't know. It just didn't make me, you know, give me the response that I was looking for. Even though spec-wise they're kind of similar. Spec-wise this one plays at a lower frequency, but the fact that MB42 has a better crossover unit on the inside is just a little better. Now, when looking at the different bookshelf speakers across what's available in the market, you have very few to choose from. Now, I'm keeping my research, I'm keeping my lookout under $100. So a pair of bookshelf speakers that's going to cost around $100 or below. I mean, if it's $50 and below, that's one expectation. When it's close to $100 price range, that's another expectation. So right now, based on these two speakers, the Edifier P12 and the MB42X, I would definitely go with the MB42X just because it's got a better crossover unit on the inside, and the same track that I would play on these two speakers, this one will sound a lot better just because of that extra crossover unit. It's just doing a better job at distinguishing audio frequency. The the P12, for some reason, it did not give me the feedback that I was looking for. It just did not resonate with me as well. I think it is the placement of the driver. One's on the middle, the other one's at the bottom. So when it's on the bottom, you're getting the feedback a lot better. Versus when you have the placement on the middle, you still hear it, but it's not as immersive as you would want it to be. Well, there you go. Quick review of, not review, just a quick unboxing of Edifier P12 and my thoughts on how it compares against the MB42X. And right now, my thoughts are leaning towards the MB42X just because it's standing out to be a better speaker. The Edifier P12, it's okay. I mean, if you have to choose between these two, just pay that extra money and get that. Get the MB42X. That'll be better, not the Edifier P12. All right. That's it for today. Let's see if I do. I'll post more videos later on. I have another speakers that I want to look at, which is a Polk T15. We'll do an unboxing, and that's a much bigger speaker. Should be a lot stronger and better. It does cost more, but yeah, we'll do that, and I'll tell you what I think about that too compared to these guys. All right, till next one.